Hello friends, in this session today we are going to see a few of the commonly used commands in the Linux operating system. So these commands can be tried on the terminal and an online terminal Cocal is available to us. The link is already been shared. So the basic command, first of all, the terminal, whenever you open the terminal, there is a dollar prompt over here. So the first command to see where we are sitting, right? So we have a command called pwd, present working directory. So this present working directory, always the user is sitting in the directory called home. We have already seen the directory structures of Linux operating system where home contains the subfolders or the subdirectories with the name of each user, and here the username is user itself. And what are the different files in this particular directory right now we have is that we can see using a command called ls. Ls is basically a command known as a listing, and it is equivalent to a dir command in Windows. So we got these two files over here. Now suppose I want to have a long listing of my files, so I can say ls minus l. So this minus l are the option that we can try where we got so many options available. So in this case we have not created any directory. This is we have not created even any file. So by default two files are coming with this online editor Cocal. So this basically first few, this rw dash dash hyphen hyphen whatever is been displayed, that is the access permissions, right? And we will discuss this in detail. And these are links, how many links are available, and the owner of this particular file, the size of the file, and the time has been created, and the name of the file. Now, first of all, we will see what is this minus L. Minus L is the long listing. So there are many options available. So if you want to see what a command is doing and how the command can be, what are the different options available with the command, we can see the manual of the command. So for the manual, we can just say man, and we can give the command like man ls. So it will give me the list of all the options which are available. So I can just scroll down to see all the options which are available with this with the help of spacebar. Here we work with the spacebar, and if you want to quit from here, you need to just say q. So we quit from here. So we create a file first of all, and then we will see whether it appears in the listing or not. So we have a copy greater than the file name a.txt. So this a greater than less than are the redirection symbols, and we got a pipe symbol also that we will see. So this copy greater than a.txt will create a new file a.txt, right? So this copy command is sorry, it is available in the Windows. So here we have a command cp, but to create a new file we have a cat. Cat means we can say concatenate the contents on the file to be written in this. This is this is a new file. This is new file, and I just now sum up this. I just want to come out of this file. I don't want to write anymore, so I will say Control Z. So Control Z is basically a terminator. So it has created a file. So I can just say ls and see whether the file has appeared. So here a.txt is there. I can just say ls minus l. So we got a long listing. So this file is created by us just now. The timings over here, and we got a here 26 the correct number of characters which are written in this particular file. So you can see, you want to clear the screen. So we have a, for clearing the entire screen, we have a command called clear, right? And I want to see the details or the contents of the file. So I can just say cat a.txt. So it will display the contents of the file. So if you just put a redirection over there, so that redirection will create a new file. That greater than is a redirection. So we have a cat a.txt. Suppose I just want to see the output of this. I want to count the content characters of this. So we have a wc is the count, a word count. So we got a three lines and five words and all that, 26 characters. This is displayed. So three lines, five words in it, right? And these are the 26 other characters written in this. So that is pipe sign. The pipe over here basically is the redirection of one output of one command is redirected to the another command, that is wc, word count. So to create a folder we have a mkdir, And if I say the folder name is dir1, I want to create, I just see ls minus l. So we got a dir1. See, the color has changed here. So this color depends on the operating system, right? Whereas from this rwx, what was written over here, here we can see the d in the first letter over here. But whereas in the other files, other three rows, it is not written. So this d means it is a directory. So if you want to go to the directory, the command is dir1. I can just jump into the directory. Now we'll say we enter the directory. Now you want to copy the file from the we want to create a file over here. You can create, you want to go out of this directory. We have a cd space dot dot. That is very important. Cd space dot dot. So you want to copy the content of one file to another. So we can say cat a.txt greater than b.txt. So let's see what is the content of b.txt. So it is there. So you want to remove the file, you want to delete the file. So we have a del, in Windows we have a del. Here we have a command called rm, that is remove b.txt. So it the file is removed. Now if I say cat b.txt, so he will say that no file or directory, sorry, b.txt, there is no, I'll just write for complete name b.txt. There is no file over here. So these are few of the commands we have. We know that man cal is the calendar. It will show ls date. Who is the user, because you know that when in Linux we got a multi-user operating system. So here in the online web, it is not displaying any result. But whereas if you are working on the Windows operating, the Linux operating system, who will give you the name of the user in which you are logged in. So cal command will show you the calculator. Cal command will show you the current month's the calendar, sorry, right? And you got another command date. Date will show you the date, current date and the time, right? And mkdir will create a new directory, right? Echo command will display the content on the screen. This echo will be used for your shell program will come up. pw is present working directory. You want to remove the directory, we have a command called rmdir. And if you want to remove the file, we have rm. To copy the file, we have a cp. To create a new file, we have a cat. And moving the file, we have a mb. Suppose I have a b.txt here, and I want to move the file. So ls minus l. So this is the current structure. I just say cp a.txt a.txt to b.txt. So it will copy a file. So we last time we copied a file using a cat command using the redirection. Cat a.txt will display the file content, but whereas we redirected it to the b.txt, another file name. Now here we use a copy command. So we got ls minus l if we see. So we got a.txt and b.txt. So we run a command mv b.txt to dot slash dir1 slash. So here the command is accepted. So we'll just see ls minus l first of all. What is the content? So there we don't have a b.txt over here. So if we just go to the cd change directory, dir1 dir1, and we go to the directory and say ls, it will show me a file here c.txt. So this is how we can move the contents of file. We can copy, we can create a new file. And echo will see in the echo will display the variable. If we just have a variable like a equal to 10, so this will create a variable. But if you want to see the result, you want to see the contents of a, so we'll say $a over here.